how to add story without mention. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can add stories without mention, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to add someone's story without mention, if you're not mentioned in the story, now let's discuss if you were mentioned in the story. If you were mentioned when you come to the DMs page, you'd most likely get a notification that this person mentioned you in the story, and then you'll be able to directly add that to your very own story. But if you are not mentioned in the story, what you can do is instead tap and open up that story of the person that you want to share, then just tap the plus button here. Then you can simply go ahead and then take a screenshot of their story. Once you take a screenshot of the story, now you can simply add that to your very own story, whether it's a photo or a video. Then you can choose to basically mention that person if you want, and once you mention that person will also get notified that you shared the story. And this way you can add story without mention. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.